my hair is now softer and it's surprisingly shinier nga talaga. Hello everyone! My name is Carla Q and I'm back for another video. So for today's topic, ang gagawin ko lang ay papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko inaalagaan yung hair ko during this community quarantine. So kung napapansin nyo, medyo oily na yung hair ko kasi I don't shampoo it every day. Since sa bahay lang naman ako, hindi tayo nauusukan, hindi tayo aarawan, and wala namang mag-judge sa akin sa bahay. So I shampoo my hair every after 3 days. Kunyari ngayon, Saturday, I'll shampoo my hair. So, Sunday, Monday, I won't shampoo my hair. And then by Tuesday, ayan, shampoo ko na yung hair ko. Also, before ko i-shampoo yung hair ko, since wala naman tayong ginagawa dito sa bahay, so ginagawa ko na lang, nag-treatment na lang ako ng hair. And yun yung i-share ko sa inyo today, kung anong treatment yung ginagawa ko sa hair ko. Since wala namang mga salon dahil nga, meron tayong community quarantine or lockdown. Pakita ko na sa inyo yung buhok ko after 3 days of no shampoo. So medyo oily na tayo sa top. But yung natural oil na galing sa scalp nyo is very good for your hair. It's actually very healthy, better for your hair na malagyan ng natural oils. So every once in a while, mas okay din talaga na hindi nyo shampoo yung hair nyo every day. So I'll just brush my hair. Hindi natatang sa gitna. And also, since lagi lang naman ako nasa bahay and I always tie my hair, I just use this clip or yung mga tawag na iba, chuk-chak. Or basta chuk-chak or chak-chak, ewan ko. Basta yung mga ganitong clips lang yung ginagamit ko muna sa hair ko para hindi na masyado ma-stress yung buhok ko. Yung mga ganitong clips na lang muna yung ginagamit ko. Okay, so I will be doing the banana honey coconut oil hair mask. Papakita ko na sa inyo kung paano ko siya ginawa in this video. Kumuha ng isang ripe banana, putol-putulin at ilagay sa blender. 2 tablespoons of honey, then 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 4 tablespoons of extra virgin coconut oil, and blend. That's it! Sobrang dali lang, diba? Now, our DIY hair mask is ready. As you can see, yung hair ko is medyo frizzy. May onting waves siya dahil naka-bun siya kanina. Medyo dry na rin siya sa ends. Hindi ko na pahabain yung description ng kung ano yung meron sa banana, sa coconut oil, sa honey, olive oil. But this hair treatment will help you grow your hair faster and it will make your hair shinier and less frizzy. I'll just show you kung paano siya ginagamit. So here is my mixture of the banana, honey, olive oil, and coconut oil. To apply the mixture on my scalp, I just use a cotton round. It's less messier that way, at least for me. So I just start with parted hair in the middle. And then I scoop out from my mixture. There. And I just spread it all over. So after applying it to my scalp, I just massage my scalp for about 3 minutes para mag-circulate yung blood flow sa scalp to make your hair grow faster. And then I just part my hair again in the middle. That way, mas madali kong ma-apply yung mask sa ends na hair. Stick that. So, kung ayaw niyo yung smell na banana, hindi niyo magugustuhan tong mask nito kasi amoy na amoy talaga yung banana. But for me, I eat banana naman and gusto ko naman din yung smell niya. So, I think it's relaxing for me. Also, when you do this, make sure na yung shirt na suot mo, okay lang sa inyo na malagyan. Since meron pa ako natitirang mixture, I'll just dip the ends of my hair para mas maraming nilagay. Since yung pinaka-dry na part sa hair na dahil yung pinaka-matagal. After I soak my hair with the hair mask, I just put it in a bun. And then I put a shower cap over it. So if wala naman kayong shower cap, you can just use a plastic bag. Tapos, lagay nyo lang sa head nyo. And then, I'll just wait for an hour para mag-work talaga yung mask sa hair. And then, I'll be back. I am back! Nakapag-shower na ako and my hair is 70% dry. Yung ends ko, yun na, but it's just the scalp, yung malapit na lang sa scalp, yung medyo mas matagal matuyo sa hair ko. So, yeah, my hair is now softer and it's surprisingly shinier nga talaga. Medyo nag-less na rin yung frizziness. Para makuha mo yung full results niya, you have to do it every week or at least once every 2 weeks. But sa akin, mas gusto ko ginagawa yung treatment weekly. That's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe, subscribe na kayo. And also click the bell button para ma-notify kayo kapag meron akong bagong videos. See you soon. Bye!